It's been 10 months since a ferocious hurricane passed through this area, which the humans called Hurricane Helene, here in western North Carolina. And I find myself on this trail that I haven't been to in over a year, and seeing that this area of the mountains were extremely impacted. We have lost an immense number of our trees on this section of the mountain. And it's now late August, and we are in full summer. And I wanted to share with you what's here, what's coming back, what's coming up from the earth, because this green is incredible. In these times that we find ourselves in right now, with all this intensity, and our bird friend is chiming in with us too, we can be devastated, and we are. This time will take from us what we hold precious in ways that we don't know yet, because this time is in a very intense turning of ages. That's the phase we're in. That's one way, that's one perspective to see and feel this time from. And so, I've been talking about on this channel, y'all, the organic intelligence that rises through all life. That is within me. That is within you. That is within us. And this organic intelligence is what has regrown, is sprouting up thousands of new trees, new baby trees, and green. Like, I've never seen this much green here in 6 years. We may have more pieces taken away during this time, during the years to come, as we transition from one paradigm of separation, of doing things one way that was kind of okay, but it's really painful. It's been very painful. It's been very separatist. It's been very separating, and power over and power under. And what we're entering into is a world where the heart has a voice equally as loud, equally as resonant, and as alive as the voice of the mind. And these two come together in this age and meet, and we speak, and we are from more of ourselves. And that is organic intelligence. The whole body, the whole thing. This is what we're up to. We're in the midst of a revolution, and we have infinite power. We who are of the earth, we who are tapped into the energy of the earth that rises through, that makes new trees through me, through my body, that activates new senses, new ways of being, new ways of speaking, new ways of being in contact with you, new ways of communicating to not just humans, but to the plants and the trees and the animals and the earth itself. So it's good. It's good. It's good. And this right here, us making contact right here as we do. If you're new here to this channel, by the way, welcome, because this is what we're about. I don't just offer information. It's too late for that. We don't have time to just get more information. This is even more so, much more so about the contact, the connecting right now. The feeling that we're here, even though this is a video on a mainstream platform. Let this organic technology, this organic intelligence, fill this space, fill your body now, and I invite you to feel through your body system, through your mind system, through your heart that feels more soft, tingly, and open, through your fingertips that might be activated with more light. Hear that thunder? Let this moment be more real than just a video on YouTube. Organic intelligence is pretty smart. It's using me, and I am very grateful because it's an amazing experience to be used, to be collaborating with this intelligence, this energy. It's the best thing I could do. It's the most thing, it's what I want. It's what I want to fill my life with, more so than it even is now. So, you're here. We're feeling this together. We're in contact with each other, and something new and deep and profound and playful and alive in the heart space that rises to meet the mind, that flows out through these arms and these hands, that goes down into the earth and feels our contact. We feel the contact we're making. And this is the revolution. This is where it begins on the energetic level. And the guidance system, the internal intuition, comes online and shows me where to go next, what to do next. Doesn't make it easy, but it makes it miraculous. So let us, right now, take a breath together. And feel into your body. Feel the power in your body, the aliveness that no piece of tech or gadget that we could make from the external could ever touch you so deeply as this, what you already have. And I hope that you leave this video feeling alive and full and connected to us and all of this and our tree allies and organic intelligence itself. We do this kind of thing in the Unity Collective. It's an online platform for connection and live calls. And it's quite changing my life and our lives who are there. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your energy. I'm with you. We're with you. We are with us. And the trees are holding space for us, guiding us, giving us energy. I'll see you soon with this final, last breath for this video. You know, not the last breath ever, just for the video.